Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys how I get my high puff to be very defined and just like juicy looking. My hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, all that jazz. So right now I am just detangling it again. It was already detangled prior to me recording with my favorite brush, and I'm going to put a little bit of leave-in conditioner, the Mielle conditioner that I have been using. You guys see me use it in the past. So I'm just spraying that all over. Again, I did a lot of these steps before the video, so I'm not going all the way in. So now I'm just smoothing out my edges, the front of my hair and the back of my hair. Make sure I get that kitchen, before I add my gel. The gel that I'm using, as you guys know, is the Wetline Extreme Gel in the blue color, which I love this gel. Y'all know, y'all have seen me use this in many videos. So I'm just rubbing that in with my hands, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my brush again. Now this brush is actually a very hard brush. It's really a guy's brush actually, but I use it for my edges to get everything nice and smooth. So now this is actually a piece of stocking that I use and I cut up. It was like holes in my stocking, so I'm like, let me use it for a different reason. And I'm just getting it to like my desired, puff. I don't even know what to call that, but getting it, where I want the puff to be. And I am tying it in the back, making sure that I don't get any hair caught in the knot, and making sure that it's tight enough to hold on, but not too tight where it's hurting my head. So now I'm using this edge brush here that is like perfect for my baby hairs, and I'm sorry, it's really hard for me to show you guys how I do my edges. I'll try to do that in another video, but I'm just getting that together. I'm going to throw a satin scarf on it just so it can set while I work on the next part of my hair to make sure that the puff is nice and defined. Alright, so to get my puff nice and defined, I actually take each piece section by section. I am just clipping away the other piece to make it easier for me. I then spray it with a lot of water. I just finished washing my hair, but it's already pretty dry, and I want my hair to be wet because pretty much just to define my puff, I'm pretty much doing a wash and go just on the puff part. So I'm wetting my hair. I already have the leave-in in it. I am detangling it again just to make sure it's, nice and detangled. And then I am taking the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I am pretty much doing a wash and go on my puff, as you guys can see. You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. Okay, so now that I am done defining my puff, I'm just going to pick at it, shake my hair a little bit just to get my hair and the curls to lie down exactly where I want them to. I'm then going to sit under the dryer for about half an hour or so before I put my scarf back on and my bonnet to cover it up before I go to bed. And I do that just so it can dry, so it doesn't like dry flat from me laying down. So I'm going to show you guys the final results right now. So this is actually the next day and my hair is completely dry. It is super defined, nice and shiny looking, and this will last me until my co-wash, which would probably be like 4 days from now. So this is it. I love my puff. Y'all know I love my puff. Nice and defined. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys for my next one.